Reacting to RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat's recent comments, Asaduddin Owaisi has thrown down the gauntlet, demanding clarity and also data crucially. He's asking, what exactly is love jihad? Where is the evidence? And why is this issue being raked up repeatedly without proof? He goes further, alleging that this is nothing but a tactic to divert the attention of India's youth from real issues. And he's also questioned if leaders from the ruling dispensation have had interfaith marriages. Where does this rhetoric actually stand then? He has said the RSS must present concrete data before the country. Listen in to Asaduddin Owaisi's latest remarks.
और अगर लव जिहाद हो रहा तो डेटा क्यों नहीं देते पार्लियामेंट में? तुम 11 साल का तो रिकॉर्ड दो ना, तुम चलो आप जितने प्रदेशों में है उसका रिकॉर्ड दे दो लव जिहाद का कि भाई ये लव जिहाद हुआ, बताओ। और तीसरी बात है, लव जिहाद को डिफाइन कर दे बीजेपी और मोहन भागवत। व्हाट इज लव जिहाद? आप पार्लियामेंट में तो बोलना नहीं चाहते उसको, आप डिफाइन कर दो। अब जब डिफाइन करेंगे तो फिर बीजेपी में ऐसे कई नेता है जो ये इंटर रिलीजियस मैरिजेस करें, उनको क्या बोलेंगे फिर आप? गैर जरूरी के इस देश के नौजवान बच्चों को, युवा पीढ़ी को नौकरी की जरूरत है, आप इधर लिख जा रहे हो उनको।
Tejashree Purandare tracking the latest developments for us. She joins us live this morning. Tejashree, to begin with, tell us, has the RSS or the BJP offered any documented data to support the love jihad claim recently? And then take us through Mr. Owaisi's sharp rebuttal too.
Well, see, as of now, there is no documented data that has been, put out by the BJP or the RSS, but for sure they have been citing examples of love jihad. And in fact, in several states, yes, if we talk about, then there has been data where they have been talking about the religious convergence. And in fact, RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat yesterday went on to say that there is a lack of communication within the families. The families, in fact, should teach and learn their children so as to what is love jihad all about and what is the religious conversion means, because he has been raising serious concerns about Muslim men marrying the women, Hindu women, and then converting them to the Muslim religion is what he has been stating in his own speech, to which now we just heard that AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi has strongly hit out at the RSS chief, stating that if he has a data, then he should put out in the parliament. There should be a debate and discussion in the parliament. Further, he also goes on to say that if two individuals who are adults, then they do have a right to marry. He also in fact raised the guns at the BJP leaders who in fact also goes on to say that there are a number of BJP leaders who have in fact into intercaste marriage, and then why the questions are not asked to them as well. This is what the AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi has said. So definitely when it comes to something like love jihad or jihad for that matter, or in fact intercaste marriage or religion, then definitely the controversy is not going to stop over here. There is going to be a reply. The BJP is definitely going to reply to this controversy so as to what Asaduddin Owaisi has been speaking. Because if we talk about several states as well, then yes, as far as Assam is concerned, then the data of the love jihad or the conversion has been put out. But if we talk about the overall data, the national data compiling all the state and UTs, that is not as of now available anywhere, and that's why in fact Asaduddin Owaisi is raising question and in fact questioning so as to why such kind of statements is being made by the RSS chief. Back to you.